Hey guys, it's Shagun. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys this clean girl makeup look. It's another name for no makeup look. This look is all about a slick back pony, minimal gold jewelry, and clean base. Lots of lip gloss and no eyeshadow. It's really like polished and clean looking basically. The clean girl makeup look is another term for the no makeup look. And yeah, I got a lot of requests from you guys asking you to do a little bit of minimal, like a party type of look. So you can carry this look anywhere you want to. You can wear this to a party, a formal event, anything you would like. This is mask proof and it looks supremely gorgeous, and it's almost like undetectable that you're wearing makeup, and it looks like skin. And yeah, on a side note, I want to say that I have prepped my skin really well. I used a sheet mask and a moisturizer, a toner, everything. I showed you the moisturizer only, but I did all of those skincare things in the morning, so I didn't show it to you guys because I wasn't filming then. So yeah, so if you guys like this look, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. That would mean the absolute world to me. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that little subscribe button down there, and click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you're notified whenever I post a new video up. And yeah, also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is at _Shagun Choudhury 16 _. And yeah, please keep on watching.